sister to meet up with some friends. We're going to be chilling and everything. We're going to Chili's. I've never been there, so I'm just going to do my little makeup, my little everyday. I don't do dramatic. I don't do all that extra stuff. I just do natural. That's what I like. I don't like too much where you could tell I'm wearing makeup, but I'm wearing makeup. You know, whatever. But I have this mirror I got from Walmart. It looks a little dirty. I might have to excuse the dirtiness, but yeah. Yeah, so cool, right? My lace is like done. It's like ready to come off, so I'm gonna be doing that tomorrow. But we're gonna be doing makeup like every day. I'm not gonna show y'all every product that I use, but yeah, we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. This is a natural, well, this is a dark brown. I was using black brown at first because I thought my hair was black, natural black, but it's actually natural brown. So, girl, like this lace is ready to come up. Okay. You know all those little white flakes that be coming out of it. I don't know like what I should put on it to keep like the dandruff or whatever that is out of it. Here go my little girl, here she comes. So I already clipped my eyebrows with like some scissors. You know, like you brush your eyebrows up and it be like those long hairs. I already snipped them. My baby girl want to say hey, y'all. Say hey. Okay, we looking thick now. Okay, so this is cute, I like it. We're doing concealer now. This is LA Pro. I got my bag of sponges, you guys, so I can go ahead and blend in. This is my liquid foundation. I got it from MAC. The lady was supposed to give me like the little pump thing that comes with it. She said it was free, but I never got it. So look at me looking crazy, putting it on there, slapping it on there. I had completely forgot to put this on before. I always put that on before I put on my makeup. But right now, I'm doing my contour. I think that's what it's called. I'm trying to make sure my cheekbones, I look a little slim. I'm just trying to make sure I look slim. That's all. Okay, there go my bag of sponges, y'all. We finna go ahead and blend this in. You know you gotta shine somebody. So this is my glitter, you know. Don't mind that trick right there, because you don't need to be doing that. That's my stuff. Okay? Okay? We understand? This is my glue that I use for my lashes. This is really good. It's white, but it turns clear once it's dry and everything. And this is my eyeliner right here, y'all. I'm not too good with my wings, but I'm working on it. My wings, I always have one that looks lopsided every time, so don't be laughing. Let's touch. And I just had to pop myself. Girl, my freaking rubber band just broke. Like, ow. Alright, this is the finishing touch. This is the finishing look. I ran out of the after spray, so I'll pick that up later. But this is it. Please like this video. Please subscribe and hit that bell if you want to know every time I post a video, every single time. Like, it could be a second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. It's going to let you know as soon as I post it. So please hit that bell down below. Don't forget, and please subscribe to me and my sister's channel down below as well. The link is in the bottom. And thank y'all for coming. This is my everyday. I wasn't going to show y'all everything that I use. I didn't do my foundations that I usually do. Eyeshadow. Sometimes I think it's a little rainy looking outside. I don't know. But yeah, but this is it. This is it. Thank y'all for watching this video. Subscribe.